Welcome to Chapter 6 of the Zoombit tutorial series. In this session, this project combines line-following capabilities with AI-powered obstacle detection. The robot will stop and turn to avoid obstacles like apples, cats, or umbrellas it encounters on the track. To begin, open the MakeCode editor, click on Extensions, search for Zoombit and add it. Then add the Planet X extension to include the Smart AI Lens blocks. Once added, both extensions will appear in the Blocks panel and ready for use. How the code works. The code initializes the AI lens and sets it to card recognition mode, enabling the robot to detect specific obstacle cards like apple, cat, and umbrella. A square icon is displayed on the microbit screen, showing that the robot is ready. The robot waits until button A is pressed to begin. Once pressed, a melody plays to indicate the start. The main code runs in a forever loop. It checks for any of the obstacle cards, like apple, cat, or umbrella. If an obstacle is detected, the robot calls the handle obstacle function. If no obstacle is detected, the robot continues following the line. When an obstacle is detected, the robot stops and plays a short melody. It moves backward briefly, then makes a left turn. After the turn, it resumes following the track. The follow track function keeps the robot aligned with the black line by adjusting the motor speeds based on the line sensor's readings. By integrating AI-powered obstacle detection with dynamic navigation, the Zoombit robot can intelligently avoid obstacles and stay on course, showcasing its advanced capabilities. For more details, step-by-step instructions, and downloadable code, check out the full tutorial at citron.io.